Fingers have been pointed. During yesterday's post-cabinet press briefing, it was announced that 3 more COVID-19 cases have been identified, bringing the island's total to 19. When asked if there was concern that positive individuals attended carnival-like activities, Minister for Health Nickolas Steele chastised the media for promoting events.
Some radio stations have actively promoted those events, and then we get a GBN reporter asking me about whether we're concerned. I think the GBN reporter needs to ask their GBN management whether they promoted those events or not, and what they're going to do. How are they going to help the Ministry of Health and Contact Tracing now? Because they helped the promoters to promote the events. What are they going to do to help the Ministry of Health to figure out who was there?
Since then, Grenadians have taken to social media to share their opinions on the minister's statement. Ricardo commented, "The carnival-like activities were inevitable. That's a fact. Majority will always prevail. The masses requested that no entry policies be implemented for the said period. If this was done by Parliament, the COVID-19 would not have reached our shores. This is blatant responsibility on our trusted authorities. Now they're trying to throw blame and responsibility on the said masses who said we are okay with no entry for the period. But our government loves money, so they keep the COVID-19 money coming in." Wendy wrote, "Grenadians head too hard and now they are blaming each other." Eric commented, "Minister Steele better get a checkup because I swear he's suffering from foot-in-mouth disease." Anastasia added, "Mr. Steele, I think you all should bring back 7 days quarantine, even if you are fully vaccinated due to the Delta variants." Linda asked, "So if the promoters got permission, who do you want to blame? Police and those involved in granting permission?" Vincent wrote, "As the records are showing, vaccinated people in Grenada have tested positive. Who gave permission for fully vaccinated events?" Salisha commented, "Folks, if we get an outbreak here, really and truly we can't blame the government. This is everyone's responsibility to protect themselves and families. Partying, always there. Music, go always play. It's the bigger and more important picture for me." This individual commented, "If he wants to talk stations, talk about SMC and all the virtual events they had with other stations, hyping up people. GBN didn't get a FET ad, except for Wagiti All-Inclusive, which was fully sanctioned." And this individual commented, "COVID committee gives approval for events. Events with fully vaccinated patrons can host an unlimited amount. Even the Prime Minister mentioned this in his last address. Promoters give media houses the ads. Ads are aired. Now the Health Minister is blaming media houses for advertising events? I don't understand."